mga motorista, welcome back to another episode of Motorista Adventures. For this video, we have here the Nissan Navara VL Caliber model. So tignan natin yung mga specs and features nito. I'll give you the exterior features, interior features, and itutur ko kayo dito sa ating Navara VL model. So if you're interested to know and also the pricing at the end of the video, stay tuned and let's start this tour. Let's go! Let's start with the exterior mga motorista, no? Basically, same na silang features but with different tires, no? Less off-road bias siya, more of a lifestyle pickup truck. Looking at the front, it still has that dynamic shield design na gusto natin from the Navara lineup. And I do think it still looks really good even in 2023, no? Medyo matagal na tong update na to, pero okay pa din siya tignan in my opinion. Now, there is a new one coming, maybe in 2024, 2025 model na yon. For now, ito yung latest model ni Nissan sa kanilang pickup truck. You have quad LED headlights mga motorista, no? In my opinion, it does give out that angry look sa kanyang headlights, and also these headlights are projectors. Yung kagandahan sa kanya is one is low beam and one is high beam, and meron siyang automatic high beams din, no? So automatic on-off and automatic high beams din siya. We have LED DRLs din, we have turn signal lights here. Unfortunately, bulb type lang siya. Now, if you go for the VL variant, ayan, yung makukuha mo dito is, ano siya, chrome, hindi siya matte, no? Unlike the Pro 4X models. So, dito naman sa kanyang grille, you have honeycomb type grille, and then medyo open talaga siya, no? So, maraming papasok na hangin in front of the grille. Dito naman sa ating Nissan logo, chrome din siya, meron siyang camera sa harap. You have your radar sensor here. You have your plate holder dito. Meron siyang mga silver finish here and there. And you have your fog lights, no? These are front fog lights. Plastic na skid plate. Meron tayong hooks dito for towing. Yan. On either side siguro. No, isa lang pala. Isa lang pala. Alright? And I really like this color, no? Kind of unique color in the lineup. Dito naman sa ating wheels and tires, we have Open Country, yung Toyo yung brand. And also, I have to mention the rims. I think this is the best looking rims in my opinion sa kanyang lineup. So black sa center na part, and then you have your silver finish around. No? It really looks good. And also these rims are 18-inch, 255 by 60 R18. And you have your double wishbone suspension. Yan yung ating shock. You can see your steering system then. You can see your alternator here. Meron tayong mga plastic coverings here. Meron tayong mudguard and step board. Side mirrors naman, you have your camera dito, and then turn signal repeaters here. Standard na din sa VL model is yung ating roof rail, yung ating grab handles which is chrome. Meron tayong smart entry button here. Meron din tayong chrome here for the passenger doors and yung fuel cover natin. So, new for this model, no, they put caliber here, no. Usually yung caliber natin is nasa VE and EL variants, but for this one, everything that's not Pro 4X siguro is called caliber. So ayan na siya, and meron siyang tailgate assist, so magaan lang siya. Okay, yan. And then so you have your reverse camera, you have your Nissan logo, Navara na stamp here, VL nakalagay. Apat na sensors dito sa likuran na part. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You have your blind spot warning sensors as well dito sa bumper natin. Integrated na yan. And these are LEDs, no? Yung ating mga plate light. Moving on sa ating tail light, LED to, frosted type. And then you have your main brake lights here which are LEDs. Tatlo yan, 1, 2, and 3. So, bulb type yung ating reverse light. Wala tayong rear fog lights. Now, onto the bed. Wala siyang kasamang bed liner. This is an optional extra siguro for this model. But we do have yung sliding natin ng mga cargo hooks. Okay, so, yung kagandahan dito is you have lots of options, no, kung mayroon ka ikakarga dito sa likuran na part. Yung third brake light natin is located up top. You can see your rear defoggers dito. When it comes to the rear suspension, one of the unique selling points of the Navara mga motorista is yung kanyang rear suspension. So, kita nyo naman, it is a multi-link setup. So, meron siyang stabilizer bar, improved from the previous model. So, you have dual rate coil spring. So, as you can see, kita nyo, So we have 2 coil springs, no? Yan. So meron tayong one over the other to make it a little bit more stiff and hindi siya magsusquat when it comes to loading. Ito yung stabilizer bar natin, no, para to prevent swaying at high speeds. And then kita nyo naman yung ating spare tire is the same as what's on the vehicle itself, which is really good. Drum brakes dito sa likuran na part, hindi siya disc brakes. And then there's some sort of rust proofing na din dito sa ating likuran na part. Yan. Pero wala siyang plastic coverings. So ito yung exterior features ng ating Nissan Navara Caliber VL. Now let's move on to the interior. Let's take a look at what features is installed for us. Let's go. Motorista, we are inside the Nissan Navara Caliber VL, top of the line model. So you can see here na this is really nice place to be in, especially this model kasi yung leather seats natin, these are the same leather seats that you'd find sa Pro 4X. Pati yung design here, but yung stitching niya is much more elegant. Meron tayong mga lumps dito mga motorista, no, para hindi masyadong mainit siya sa likod. Steering wheel naman is also leather, 3-spoke steering wheel. You have your controls, no, for your audio here, volume, next, and back. You have your knob buttons here for that screen. And then also you have cruise control, set and reset. Basic cruise control lang siya, hindi siya adaptive. Voice command and call buttons are here on the other side. Okay, so chrome door handles. You have your traction control button off here. You have your trip reset, and then yung ating backlight setting gauges, you can adjust it here. Yung ating stocks naman, meron tayong auto mode, auto on-off, and automatic high beams. Fog lights natin, which is also LED. And yung steering wheel natin, unfortunately, hindi siya tilt telescopic. It is only tilt, no? Sayang. But yung ating mga wipers is automatic rain sensing na siya. Dito naman is yung ating engine start-stop button. Dito yung controls natin for the windows. And yung mga lock and unlock buttons natin. Yung isa sa nagugustuhan ko dito is automatic folding ating side mirrors. And once you turn on the vehicle, it will unfold itself. Meron tayong blind spot monitoring dun sa ating mga side mirrors, no? So that's a nice touch, no? Advanced driver aids na yan. Dito naman sa center natin, meron pa tayong lalagyan here. You have your 12-volt accessory outlet. You have your hazard button. And then yung ating vents. Now, this is an 8-inch display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You have 360-degree view camera, which is really good. Although the definition is not as clear as the Ford Ranger, pero okay na din siya. It is better than the Toyota's 360 camera. Dito naman sa ilalim na part, you have dual zone climate control. Meron tayong buttons here for everything, no, for the AC. So, easy lang siyang gamitin. And then dito sa ilalim na part, you have your parking sensors button off. Wala tayong wireless charger. Meron tayong 12-volt outlet here. Meron tayong lalagyan dito. Hindi siya malalim. And then you have USB and aux jack here. Gloss black yung ating surrounding. Okay. So dito sa center part niya, it is gloss black and then chrome finish, no? Fingerprint magnet talaga to. Yung ating transmission is a 7-speed automatic. Meron siyang manual mode. Wala tayong paddle shifters, unfortunately. So, you have 3 blank switches here. So, I think this is carried from the Nissan Terra. Itong mga switches dito for the folding of the second row seat sa Terra. You have your cup holders. Meron tayong lining here. And then, you have your traditional handbrake. Hindi pa siya e-parking brake. So, dito naman sa ating armrest, it is leather. And meron tayong Type-C charger and another USB there. And wala masyadong space dito actually sa kanyang center. More on, you can put your phones here. Hindi siya masyadong storage. Yung storage talaga natin is right here. Okay, hindi siya damp. Ayan, kita nyo naman. And meron tayong mga cup holders dito. So, road trips, walang problema sa mga cup holders. Marami tayo dito up front. Meron pa tayong lalagyan here. Dito sa taas na part, you have your dome lights, no? Wala tayong center dome light. On either side lang, LED naman siya. Dito sa center, hindi na siya LED. Okay. Dito naman sa ating rear view mirror, it is automatic din siya. Nagsiswitch to day and night. You have your sunglass holder dito. Meron tayong vanity mirror with ilaw. And also here on the other side, you have your side airbags also here. So yung total airbag here, no, sa ating Nissan Navara is 6 airbags. And also yung speaker count natin is also 6. Hindi siya special speakers, no. Standard speakers lang siya from the manufacturer. So in terms of transmission options, I think na meron tong manual transmission option. But for this model, no, because it's a Caliber, hindi siya 4x4. So if you want the 4x4 model, there is also another option for you na VL na 4x4. But same lang to ng specs sa VL 4x4, pero without the 4x4 na drivetrain. So ayan, two-wheel drive lang to. So dito naman sa likuran na part ni Nissan Navara, you have your headrest dito. And then meron tayong center headrest. So meron din tayong center armrest with cup holders. Meron tayong USB port. And you have your rear aircon vents. So yung vents nito is coming from the front, no. Meron siyang tunnel papunta dito sa center armrest natin. Hindi siya adjustable. So USB here, it's a nice touch, no. And then yung kagandahan sa Nissan Navara is wala siyang masyadong center tunnel, no. So it's almost flat. Unlike the Rangers na napakataas ng mga center tunnel nila. One of the advantages of the Navara. So you have your pockets here. And same with the front, no. I really do like these seats dito sa likuran na part. High quality siya na material. Dito naman you have your pockets. Yan. And then meron tayong controls for the windows, of course. Ito yung ating interior na ating Nissan Navara VL Caliber sa 4x2. For the 4x2 model, you have the same power and torque basically. You have 190 PS of max power and 450 Nm of torque. Single turbocharged, direct injected diesel engine do. So, kita naman yung ating turbocharger. Yan, it's quite big. And then, different yung layout ni Nissan dito than other vehicles, no? Kasi, yung placement ng mga items dito is quite different. So, andito yung ating, this is actually the fuel filter. Okay, andito yung airbox natin, andito yung ating fuse box, and also you have your power steering fluid here, and you have your ABS module here, you have your brake master dito. Pala tayong covering dito mga motorista para hindi siya masyado maingay. And then, Euro 4 compliant na siya. Price ng ating Navara 4x2 na automatic na VL is 1,571,000. Okay, so ito yung scheme nila dito sa Nissan Cagayan de Oro. So they're located here at Limket Kay, itong model na to. So yan yung price natin, 1,571,000 for the top of the line 4x2 automatic VL. Okay. So, 5 years monthly mo, around 34,000, no? Kung 20% down payment all in.